good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. Yes, so today I'm gonna take you to stroll around my neighborhood in Yesice district. As what I see is that Yesice nowadays more and more becoming more trendy because of so many nice coffee shop, nice restaurants. So yeah, I'll show you my neighborhood around. It is very nice weather today. It's not that hot, so I'll take you to stroll around. This one is Dąbrowskiego Street. Basically, there are so many restaurants, so many shops. Like on the left, Thailand Asian restaurant and second-hand shop. So basically, like the shop, selling so many, I think, nice quality thrift shop. Something like that. And in front of me is the building, high-rise tall building, office building, and the tower. And this one, I was in the one coffee shop. I'll show you. Here is nice tower. So basically, this is Dąbrowskiego Street. Many office, apartment, just like this, clinic. Nice. And this one on the left, many shop. So many nice shop here. Oh, look. What is this? The pot shop? Interesting. Bank. This is how my neighborhood. I make this special video for everyone who's curious about the place I live. Yeah. So when you walk here, actually you can feel like mix in terms of mix of the old building and also brand new building. And the traffic situation in the afternoon is just like this, very manageable, under control. That's the tram. Another building. This one, another building. Coffee shop, second hand, and this one is the kebab shop. Nice. This is the tram station, and people putting the old sofa here. If you want to pick up, you can. Another shop, and just in front of me like this one is the brand new apartment building. Nice tram, different color. I think that's the old one. Oh, ceramic shop. Nice. nice. There is one Indian store. Maybe I will come inside and let's see what we're gonna shop there. I was in the Indian store that I'm looking for something for my soup, but I couldn't find it. So yeah, I think that now it's time to have a coffee. Coffee o'clock. So I was there in the Charney Mleko. I want to go to a different coffee shop for today. So basically this road, I don't know what's the name of the road, but seems like there are so many office here and there are apartment as well. And yeah, the smell of the bread. Maybe here I will try. I found one nice coffee shop with the bread. Looks so good. Look at this cinnamon ka, rusdufka. Today I wanna have cinnamon, and this one yagodanka. Looks so good. They have another cake as well. Nice. And this place, so Instagram worthy. Like this. Very nice. Oh, that's so cute. Machinego. This one my hot cappuccino, and this one is the cinnamon roll. Looks so big and fluffy. And look at the place. It's so cute. Very Insta worthy. Pink concept. Remind me like Canggu in Bali. Nice. That was a nice coffee and cinnamon roll. Now I keep walking to showing you another place in Yesice. It's raining actually. So that's nice mural art here. It's called Slovakiego Street. I'll show you around. The smell of the food everywhere. Look at this one. It's little rain, but we keep walking. Start from here. That's over there Taleziki Kitchen Coffee people. So that's the Tibetan, no? I think. And this one is Denata. Nice coffee shop and pastel. I was there. And look at this mural art, so pretty. And yes, and here also another restaurant, garden restaurant. You see? Yes. Fala restaurant. Oh, this one is Tibetan restaurant. Looks so cute. And this one is another wine restaurant. Nice. So in front of me is the Bangkok restaurant in Yesice. I was there with my friends. Nice Thai restaurant. So this is how the situation in Yesice district. Many nice restaurant, and that is the Kamenicha basically. I will turn right to show it to you because it's raining. So this one is the old Kamenicha. Wow. The smell of food again. This one, kebab restaurant. Interesting. Look at this Kamenicha in the front. I think that they are renovating it. old Kamini-chan becoming brand new like this. Nice. And that is the garbage truck. Basically every I think that they coming to our apartment also like 3 times a week. So let's go back there. So you remember again the Bangkok restaurant? Now I would like to take you to go straight over there. This Tapar's Bar, and this one is Hapata Mame. They said that nice coffee shop. I mean like Japanese coffee shop. And that this one is another restaurant. Bamboo. Interesting. Asian restaurant. I think Japanese restaurant. Okay, let's go again. Yeah, this one is the sushi bar. Nice. Yeah, Vietnamese restaurant. Interesting. Karimari. We were there. This one. Flower shop. Oh, this one is barber and coffee shop. Nice concept. Keep walking. I show you the Kamini-cha. Kamini-cha basically is a kind of the old apartment with the old door. Design is just like this one. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 story. Like this, 1903, if you can see the year. Right. And down in the ground like this, normally it's just like a shop. You see over there another restaurant. Look at this Kamini-cha. So cute. And that's down there. Kuhnia Mexican ka? Restaurant Mexican food. Kuhnia Kyrgyzka, Kyrgyzstan restaurant. And that is another one. Next to it is Roberto. Nice. And here is the church. That's the clock tower in the church. That's another coffee shop. No, not coffee shop, bookshop. That's the church. In front of me, another restaurant. Oh, this one is the vegan pasta bar. Nice. I'm not vegan, I eat everything actually. This one is the beer. Yes, that's the kimchi chicken Korean restaurant. Brochi pizza, pasta and kava. And this one is the shop. And this one another coffee shop. Oops. Oh, nice umbrella. Look, the 20. I was there. Nice coffee shop. So if we go straight, we will go to the Rynek Yesiczki. Nice. On the left, nice boutique. Very cute. Interesting way of parking. I hope the Strasmiejska is not coming. And yes, this is kebab shop again. And next to it is boutique shop. Another shop, boutique shop, another restaurant. Nice. Mięso, the meat shop. That's the kamienica, another kamienica. See, this is what I told you. Here, if you cross the street, car has to stop. This is what I really like when I walk. In the front is Rynek Yesiczki, so it means we are closing the home. It's very peaceful. So that's the Rynek Yesiczki. Look at this blue kamienica, so nice. And that's also behind the kamienica with the Gothic style. So we are closing to home. This is actually a tour of my neighborhood today, and that's in the front. You see the big church that is Kościelna Street, Ulica Kościelna. We will turn right and go home. Hey, that's actually a tour of my neighborhood. Yes, it's time to go home. I think it's gonna be raining. See, rain and shine. Yeah, so I keep making video for you guys. I think that's all my video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.